let's explore the new sales promotion campaigns and claims management capabilities released in the Q3 store release of Manufacturing Commercial Operations. OEMs often run targeted sales promotion to accelerate sales of new models or slow-moving inventory. These campaigns are typically managed through manual processes and disconnected systems, resulting in inconsistent execution, limited visibility, and delayed claims processing. With MCO, OEMs can define sales promotions, configure eligibility, define incentive rules, and track dealers' claims against these promotions. In this demo, we will follow Chloe, an OEM sales promotions manager, as she launches a new product promotion. Then we will see how Sophie, a dealer sales agent, submits a sales promotion claim using guided experience, and how Angela, an OEM claims assessor, reviews and processes that claim. Chloe, the global sales promotions manager at Electric Motors, she logs into her workspace and initiates a sales promotion campaign setup. She enters key details such as name, description, promotion timeline, and eligible products and customers. She then defines a promotion type as trade-in and then creates a new checklist of required items to guide the dealers and claim assessors during the claims processing. Chloe then adds incentive types such as amounts, percentages with minimum and maximum limits, providing flexibility to the dealers while ensuring consistency and control. Promotions are often limited to specific models and regions. With MCO, Chloe sets eligibility criteria to restrict promotion to only electric models and dealers in Europe. Once the setup is complete, Chloe publishes the campaign with one click. Eligible dealers now can see this promotion instantly in their portal. Now let's meet Sophie, a dealer sales agent. She recently sold a new electric vehicle to a customer. Sophie logs into dealer portal and initiates a sales promotion claim. She enters the vehicle identification number, and the MCO automatically checks for any open claims and verifies whether the VIN qualifies for the promotion, eliminating any potential errors. MCO also autofills her dealership location and the customer's name. Sophie enters the vehicle sales price of $50,000. Next, MCO filters and displays only the valid promotions available for that VIN. Sophie selects multiple incentives, such as the senior citizen and new product launch promotions. She then completes the guided questionnaires for each incentive, providing details like customer's age, loyalty program number, and the trade-in vehicle information. After completing the questionnaires, she submits the claim to the OEM. Thanks to this guided experience, Sophie is able to complete the entire claim form in just a few minutes. To streamline the process and save time, MCO allows dealers to upload claims in bulk. Once the file is uploaded, MCO automatically verifies the data and generates individual claim drafts for each entry. Any failed entries are clearly highlighted with specific error messages, enabling dealers to quickly identify and fix issues, reducing both troubleshooting and claim preparation time. Let's switch to the OEM. Angela, the OEM claims assessor, accesses Sophie's claim from her workspace. She reviews pre-filled information and uses the checklist to validate Sophie's entries like customer age and trade-in vehicle details and history. Once the review is completed, Angela notices that proof of ownership and the customer ID are missing. She sends a note to Sophie. Sophie receives this information immediately in her portal and uploads the documents requested. Angela can view the real-time status updates within her workspace. She reviews the uploaded documents and approves the claim. Once the claim is approved, MCO automatically generates expense lines for each claim line item to support the downstream tracking. All actions are tracked in the activity stream, enhancing traceability and transparency. With MCO, OEM sales promotion managers can define and manage complex campaigns, while dealers and claim assessors follow guided workflows to resolve claims more efficiently.